Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Manpreet Singh, and basically I represent Amgen Pharma. So Amgen Pharma is an entrepreneurship company. So this company actually works into peptides and other complex molecules. So being into pharma sector, actually, we have to be part of the CII as well as other government bodies. And working with CII, actually we get a lot of information regarding our manufacturing setup as well as other details, and especially into the safety side of it as well as quality side of it. uh, Meeting senior leadership in these kind of a conferences which are organized by CII and other government bodies, so which helps us actually to understand some of the requirements of the manufacturing setup as well as lot of safety related activities. So especially this conference, actually, again, I am a speaker and I'm going to talk about some of the safety perspective around pharma industry. So when a lot of industry people meet at this kind of a platform, so they get an opportunity to share a lot of information, and that helps us to get or proactively understand that there might be some challenges around these kind of activities. So I think they are doing a great job, and knowing Dr. Chakravarti and uh, being in touch with them gives us a lot of information as well as a lot of support. So pharma market actually is what I would say is it's evolving actually. So previously India was a hub of APIs. Now we are shifting our gear towards the complex molecules like peptides as well as some of the biosimilars, looking at the current scenario like companies like Biocon or some other companies like Dr. Reddy's or Sun Pharma, whosoever are the big generic players, they are entering into these complex molecules. And I think the future is that. And with these kind of a molecules, when they come into picture, so the complexity increases on the manufacturing side also, and the complexity increases on the safety side also. So with AI advancing into systems, so we can now proactively predict actually that what could be the challenges. So I think the collaboration between the pharma and the IT, and especially into AI coming into picture, it will help us to grow much better. So that's what my perspective is about this.